Today I'm fishing in Virginia in an absolutely beautiful lake that I have never fished before. I'm here with a fishing buddy you haven't seen in a long time. Here with Adib.
What's up, guys?
We are fishing for pretty much panfish, crappie, bluegill. I might also do a little bit of bass fishing. We got very lucky because it just stopped raining. It was absolutely pouring just like an hour ago. But hopefully we can find some fish. It's just a little bit of a fun session, short session, so we'll see what we can catch. So we just started fishing and this guy just landed over here just eyeing Adib right now because he's been catching some fish already. It's really strange because sometimes when I try to film these guys, they're very spooky, but this one just kind of, it's chilling with us over here. Like, you know, it's very close to Adib, very close to me. It's weird. That's such strange behavior. I wonder if people just like hand feed him here.
Probably, man. You're tired, right?
Oh, I was recording for that, but I don't think I actually got it. That was sick. You said there's bass in here, right?
Yeah.
All right, well, since I already have this tied on from last time I was fishing, I might as well try this out. All right, I'm fishing somewhere in Virginia today. I'm here to fish crappie and bluegill, but since I have the fluke already tied on from last time I was fishing, I want to try this to see if I can catch a bass to start with. It's very strange to see a paddle boat on a pond this small.
Yeah.
I feel like you wouldn't see these that much in Maryland. This bird already ate a massive bluegill and he's just behind you, just eyeing your fish. Hooking one of those wouldn't be fun. Okay, so I've tied on a curly tail grub on a jig head, very small jig head. Okay, if that's gonna be a crappie, it's gonna be here. I could just switch to a trap magnet and catch a million bluegill, but I really want to catch a crappie. That's the first one. Oh, it's a bass. Of course I catch a bass. I can't get away from them. Oh, there he goes. Quick release. There's one. Is this another bass? I think this is another bass. I can't get away from them, guys. Just catching bass left and right here. Oh, this guy's all messed up. Something took a chunk out of him. Look at that. Probably a snapping turtle or something. Are you guys seeing this? Look at that. Something took a chunk out of him. Hope you do well. Oh look, my friend is back. He's just sitting over there. Every time somebody catches something, this gray heron is just coming over here being like, yeah, I'll have that. Alright guys, so my goal today is to catch a crappie because I haven't caught crappie in a long time. It's probably been over a year since I caught a crappie. Adib says that the biggest crappie he's caught right here is 13 inches, which that's a big crappie. Is this a bass? This is a bass. It's all bass for me today, I guess.
Fish is a fish, man.
Yep.
As long as you're catching catching.
They're all the same size too. This one's at least healthy. It doesn't have a chunk cut out of him.
This guy is not leaving us, huh?
Oh yeah, what the heck?
He was looking to my eye.
I think it's you. I think it's you too, because it gets so close to you. At least to me, it gets a little bit further.
Like he looked at my eye when he was sitting there. It was insane. He was pointing directly to me. That never happened.
That is strange, I must admit. It's such strange behavior. I've never seen a gray hair and be so chill. That's one of the smallest ones I've seen in a while.
Yeah, 10 pounds. Right?
on the trout magnet, yeah.
Yep.
Oh, first drop.
Yep. Oh,
Oh,
okay.
there he goes.
Release.
That's the power of the trout magnet, guys. Literally just touched the water and he got that fish. Hooked up. Oh, that's a bigger one. Is that even a bluegill?
No, it's not. It's a.
Oh, it's a red breast.
Yeah.
That's a nice fish. Nice. This is lab.
Yep. I did try it a few times too. As you can see, I started that channel, created some content. I even created and edited my first video. And after I finished it, I realized how much time it takes.
Yeah.
I'm like, this is not for me. So
It
I
takes
didn't
time.
posted it, and that's it.
Yeah, the editing portion is the one. Like the fishing and the filming takes time, but compared to the editing,
Editing takes twice its time.
it takes
time,
like
right?
3 times as much time.
Yeah. But again, man, I love it. Ooh, good work.
Yeah. Lots of small ones here.
Nice, nice.
They're all the same size too.
That's why they're big bluegills.
Probably.
If they were big bass, you wouldn't have those big bluegills.
Another dink. All right, well, I caught my fish out of here. Let's keep moving. Let's go. This place is a small bass factory. Look at that. Very nice, very nice.
Have you ever been saltwater fishing here?
What do you mean, like in Maryland or Virginia?
No, like surf fishing or fishing on a pier.
A little bit here in Maryland, but not that much. I haven't been saltwater fishing in years.
The Cumulacad is good. It gets super busy, but it's good. I've never been on a pier, but I think going on a pier, because I've been there with family.
It's very crowded.
Yeah,
From what I
it gets
remember,
super crowded
yeah.
and
Especially for filming, it's not ideal because there's so much space. But I mean, it's fun. You can still catch them from the pier. I honestly rather fish from the beach though. Oh, it's a slightly better fish. It's an upgrade for sure. That's the first decent bass of the day. Probably like 10 inches or something. Very near the fountain. Nice.
watch out that log.
I see it, yeah.
You can fish all this area and also this.
I'm definitely gonna get snagged, don't worry about it. Alright, I've switched to a crappie jig because I do want to catch a crappie today. We're fishing underneath this bridge right now that according to Adib is like the juice for crappie. So why are you casting here?
I'm waiting for you to catch the crappie.
It's a of course it's a bass. Nice.
Do a left cast.
Another dink. Say what?
Do a left cast.
A left cast, dude. But this thing for me is that I have 6 pound line, so I don't really cast that. Yeah, I don't cast that far with this.
Oh, did you see crappie?
Crappie?
Yep.
Yay, I want to see this. Oh, that's a decent crappie. Yeah, it's like a 6-inch crappie. Yep. Probably. Nice. That's a fish sandwich right there.
Alright.
There's one. It's like a bluegill.
Nice.
It's a decent sized. It's a decent one.
Look, another crappie.
That's a double.
This is a 9-inch or easy.
You think?
Yeah.
Look at that. It's a pretty big bluegill too.
Yeah, it is.
So that's a nice crappie right there. Nice.
Alright, man. I gotta head out now.
Alright, bro.
I appreciate you coming over.
Alright, bro. Thank you
was
so much
great
for
time.
showing me.
Thank you so much for coming. This
Yeah,
long
it's
way.
okay. It was my turn anyway.
So hopefully we'll see what we can do next time.
Yeah,
Do some
hopefully.
trout
Hopefully we can do
sessions.
some like carp or something.
Carp?
Carp, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna hit some carp too.
Sweet. Alright, well I guess I'll keep fishing here and finish out the video.
Yeah, definitely. Try by the pier too. Under the pier, there's some good spot there.
Alright, bro.
Alright, man.
Alright, man.
Talk to you
Take care.
later.
Take care.
it
I'll
easy.
see you next time.
Yeah.
Alright, guys. So Adib had to head out. I'm gonna stick around a little bit longer, try to catch that crappie that I've been after, and maybe a few more bass. We'll see. That's not great. Okay, guys. So it has started to rain a little bit. I want to fish a little longer, do some more bass fishing, see if we can catch something a little bit bigger out of this lake. We'll see. Alright, I wanted to catch a fish on something other than the fluke, so I've tied a drop shot rig with a 3-inch Kitech. Hopefully this gets me a bite. It's a bite. He has it. He has it. Nice. I think it's another little bass. They all seem to be the same size here, I swear. Another little bass on the drop shot rig. That was a bit rough, but I think it's gonna be okay. it's a fish. I didn't even know I had a fish on. I thought I was snagged on some grass. They took my Kitech though. That was the only one I had on that size. Another dink. I don't know if you guys can see it, it's a massive carp right there, probably 20-pound plus. Just chilling, like 2 feet from the shore. There he goes over there. Alright guys, it's really raining hard now. I might leave in a bit. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna call it a day. I don't really want to get wet today, and it's raining a little bit too hard now. We caught a few bass and bluegill. Was not able to catch the crappie that I wanted. I'll leave that for another day. I'm gonna head out though.